Did you know that some gears are made from materials tougher than diamonds? That's right, gears stronger than steel are now a reality. Using cutting-edge technology that would have sounded like science fiction just a few years ago. Imagine gears that can withstand temperatures so high they would melt traditional steel. Or gears so light yet powerful they're used in space. Get ready to uncover the jaw-dropping secrets behind these super strong gears. You won't believe what's possible. Number 1. Carbon fiber reinforced gears. Carbon fiber reinforced polymers are changing the game in gear manufacturing. These gears are not only lighter than steel, but also stronger in many cases. Engineers mix carbon fiber with other materials, creating a super strong composite. It's like the best of both worlds. Lightweight and incredibly tough. Fun fact, these gears are being used in high-performance sports cars and airplanes to cut down weight without compromising strength. But here's the cool part, they hold up in extreme conditions. Imagine gears made of carbon fiber running in a race car, handling heat, stress, and pressure without breaking a sweat. It's no wonder engineers are obsessed with this material. What makes them even more fascinating is that they require less maintenance and are super durable, making them perfect for industries where reliability is everything. Number 2. Ceramic gears, not just for coffee cups. Believe it or not, ceramics are being used to create gears that are stronger than steel. Silicon carbide, a type of ceramic, is incredibly heat resistant and perfect for places where steel would melt. Imagine gears running at temperatures where most materials would break down. Ceramics can handle it. In industries like aviation, where heat resistance is critical, ceramic gears are becoming a go-to choice. Best part? These gears don't rust or wear down as quickly, meaning they last longer and save money on replacements. The only downside? They're a bit pricey, but in high-stakes applications like jet engines, every penny counts. It's amazing to think something as fragile-looking as ceramics can outperform steel in the toughest conditions. Number 3. PEEK gears, the super plastic. PEEK gears may sound like regular plastic, but don't let that fool you. This material is a beast when it comes to strength, and it's often used in industries like aerospace. These gears are not only tough, but also incredibly lightweight. Imagine a gear that can handle extreme heat, chemicals, and radiation. That's PEEK. It's no wonder these are making their way into high-performance engines. Here's a fun fact. PEEK gears are much quieter and require less lubrication than steel gears, which makes them perfect for high-precision machines. While they might not be as flashy as their metallic counterparts, their practical benefits make them indispensable in modern machinery. They're a true underdog in the world of gear manufacturing. Number 4. Titanium gears, the super metal. Titanium is known for its strength-to-weight ratio, making it perfect for gears that need to be strong but light. These gears are as tough as steel, but weigh only half as much. Imagine a lightweight gear that can handle the immense pressures of a submarine deep under the ocean, or even an airplane flying at top speed. That's the magic of titanium. But here's a little secret. Titanium gears are super expensive. While they're amazing for specialized applications like aerospace or deep sea exploration, they're not used in everyday machinery. Still, when you need the best of the best, titanium is the way to go. There's no competition. Number 5. Metamaterials. The future is now. Metamaterials are like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. These engineered materials are designed to have properties that regular materials just don't have. By carefully structuring them, engineers can make gears that are stronger than steel, even though they weigh less. Imagine gears inspired by the honeycomb pattern. Incredibly strong, but still super light. What's mind-blowing is that metamaterials distribute force more evenly, meaning they last longer and are less likely to break. They're currently being developed for cutting-edge industries like space exploration and high-performance motorsports. Fun fact, these materials are often inspired by nature, which is known for creating the most efficient designs. Number 6. 3D printed gears. A new frontier. 3D printing is revolutionizing the way gears are made. With metal additive manufacturing, engineers can print gears with intricate internal structures that simply can't be made with traditional methods. This means gears can be stronger, more efficient, and customized for specific needs. It's like printing out the future. The real secret? 3D printing allows for the use of advanced alloys that are stronger than steel. Not only that, but the precision is so high that these gears often need no finishing work. In industries where customization and speed are critical, like aerospace and automotive, 3D printed gears are quickly becoming a game changer. Number 7. Plasma carburizing. Hard as diamonds. Plasma carburizing is one of the coolest processes used to make steel gears stronger. Imagine blasting a gear with plasma to harden its surface until it's nearly as hard as a diamond. This process makes the outer layer super strong while keeping the core flexible, which is important for durability. Here's the kicker. This process was originally developed for jet engines, but is now used in high-performance car engines too. It's a fantastic way to extend the life of gears, making them more resistant to wear and tear. Who wouldn't want gears that last longer and perform better? Number 8. Shot peening. A secret strength booster. Shot peening sounds fancy, but it's actually a simple process that makes gears stronger. Tiny metal pellets are blasted at the surface of the gear, compressing it and making it more resistant to cracks and fatigue. It's like giving the gear a little workout to make it tougher. Fun fact, shot peening is used in aircraft landing gear systems because it's cheap and effective. Gears that undergo this process last longer and perform better under stress. It's one of those hidden secrets that's widely used in high-stress environments where failure is not an option. Number 9. Tungsten carbide coatings. Tough as nails. Tungsten carbide is one of the hardest materials on Earth, and when it's applied as a coating to gears, it makes them nearly indestructible. These coatings are only a few microns thick, but they transform regular steel gears into super strong wear-resistant components. Imagine a steel gear coated in something as hard as a diamond. That's tungsten carbide for you. These coatings are used in everything from racing engines to high-end watches. A fun little secret, tungsten carbide is so tough that it's often used in industrial cutting tools too. It's amazing how a thin layer of coating can make such a huge difference in performance. Number 10. DLC coatings. The secret to smooth gears. DLC, or diamond-like carbon, is another coating that's taking gear performance to the next level. This coating is prized for its low friction, which means gears can move more smoothly and with less wear. It's used in high-performance machinery where precision is everything. What's really cool about DLC coatings is that they not only improve performance, but also extend the lifespan of the gears. Imagine a car engine with gears that barely wear out and require less lubrication. That's the magic of DLC. It's one of those hidden secrets that makes high-performance gears so reliable. That's a wrap on the 10 secrets behind making gears stronger than steel. Each of these innovations is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and who knows what the future holds. Maybe one day, we'll see gears that are even stronger and more advanced than the ones we've talked about today. Thanks for watching.